Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hey everybody, so today we're going to be making some bag art, as I call it. These are this is like, you could probably spend like $10 and get the materials that you need. All you're going to need is a bag, like a gift bag, some tissue paper, the tissue paper color of your choice, and a frame. I got all of this at Target. This is what the back looks like. So there's a number of ways that you can have inexpensive decor at for your wedding or event. And a lot of people already have like old gift bags that they have around their house, tissue paper, and an old empty frame. So you just kind of have to make it look good and look different. And obviously you're going to need like some sort of cutting device. So this is just a box cutter here. I couldn't find my scissors, so hopefully everything goes great using this. But like I said before, everybody normally has one of these or all three of these laying around. And if you don't, you can always run to the Dollar Tree and pick up some stuff, because they always have decorative bags, frames, and obviously they carry tissue paper there. So that's one thing. But I want to show you two different ways today on how you can incorporate a gift bag design into your decor. So first things first, you can have like a mock gift bag, which is just, you open it up, which is just you opening it up and then stuffing it with tissue paper. You know, making it look very pretty. And that's just that. And then you can have this just kind of like as like a guide to where people can put the gifts at, or if you have like something you want to put around it. But normally a lot of people, they can just, you know, put this on a gift table, so that way if they're not around, you know, they're running around doing stuff, people at least know where to put their gifts at when they attend your wedding or event. Well, you know, people don't really bring gifts to weddings, but your event that you're having that's gonna, you know, require people to have gifts, like even bridal showers, you can get like a nice bridal bag and just put some tissue paper at the top, you know, make it look pretty, so that way people know this is where they put, you know, the gifts and stuff like that. And then, but now I'm about to show you how you can also turn this bag into like frame art, and then you can always keep it afterwards and hang it up. The reason why I got this bag is because, you know, like a lot of little girls like unicorns and stuff like that. They want to feel like a princess or whatever. So I got this bag, which is very neutral. You can't tell that it's just a gift bag, but you could also, you know, cut the sides out and put it into a frame, and therefore turn this bag into some sort of unicorn art to hang up into the room. But for your event, like a little girl's birthday party, you can put the bag, and I'll show you in a minute, into a frame, and that can be like the decor piece, like a decoration piece for like a candy table or the gift table, or however you want to incorporate that into your event, into the birthday party design. If it's like a unicorn, magical princess theme, or whatever the theme is that has a unicorn in it, you're able to still use this bag afterwards. But this can work for anything, even if it has like writing on it that says like happy birthday. You can just keep it, and maybe somebody else has an event coming up that, you know, they like it and they wanted to use it, you can just give it away, or maybe you want to resell it on the resale app, whatever case you want to do. But it's going to be extremely inexpensive for you to make bag framework. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead, stop the video here, cut the bag out, because obviously you know it's self-explanatory on how to cut a bag. So I'm just going to literally cut it down the sides, just cut it out. And I probably will keep this on here, but if not, I'm probably going to end up cutting it right here. Actually, I'm actually going to be cutting it right here so it can fit in the frame. So this is how you kind of measure to see if the frame is big enough. I just holding it up to there, and as you see, like, the picture is going to fit. So let me go ahead and cut that out, and I will come back. So what I'm pretty much saying is, because I was not able to get the actual audio to come through the video after this song, so I'm just pretty much saying that you can do bag dart for very inexpensive, and it doesn't even look like it's a bag. It looks like actual artwork that you found at a store or something. But who needs to know that you cut up a bag, a gift bag, and put it inside of a frame? It looks very nice, neat, professional, adds a little touch, personal touch to the theme, and it just looks great. It's going to be, you know, you're going to inquire a lot of people asking, what did you do, you know, to make that? And it's like, it just doesn't, it just looks great, you know. I love doing stuff like this, and it looks very nice. And you can also use the picture work, you know, your frame afterwards, and hang it up on your wall or something like that. Very inexpensive, very quick and easy to do, doesn't require a whole bunch of money, and it's simple.